A 3-day faculty training program on biostatistics and bioinformatics was organized by the Department of Botany from 18th to 20th July 2019. Dr. K. Kishore, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Urish College, Vellore, and Dr. Kobinath Krishnasamy, Postdoctoral Researcher, Department of Chemical Engineering, Hong Kong University, Seoul, Republic of Korea, were the resource persons. 18 faculty from St. Mary's College, Thuthukudi, and 17 faculty from other colleges were the beneficiaries of this training. A 3-day faculty training program on basic techniques in molecular biology was conducted by the Department of Zoology from 20th to 22nd August 2019. Dr. S. Karutha Pandian, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Biotechnology, Alagappa University, Karaikudi. Dr. Jasmine M. Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Plant Science, School of Biological Sciences, Central University of Kerala. Dr. H. Abdul Jafar Ali, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Islamia College, Vaniyampadi, and Dr. R. Sripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, St. Mary's College, Autonomous, Thuthukudi, were the resource persons. 21 teachers from 20 different schools, 2 faculty from other colleges, and 18 faculty from St. Mary's College, Autonomous, Thuthukudi were actively participated in this program. A one-day faculty training program on soil analysis was organized by the Department of Chemistry on 12th December 2019 in the Star Hall. Dr. S. Jodhimani, Professor, Agricultural College and Research Institute, Killikulam, Pallanadu was the resource person. This was followed by hands-on training on soil analysis given by Mr. T. S. R. Murthy, Nagarjuna Agrochemicals Private Limited, Senior Research Fellow, Soil Science, Hyderabad. 9 faculty members attended the training. A 3-day faculty training program on natural product research was conducted by the School of Biological Sciences from 2nd to 4th January 2020. Dr. Anis Noyer, Scientist and Head of Operations, Mr. Sanmuga Sundaram, Senior Researcher, Ms. Chandralega, Junior Researcher of Biozone Research Technologies, Private Limited, Chennai, were the resource persons. 11 faculty from the Department of Botany, 11 faculty from the Department of Zoology, 3 faculty from the Department of Chemistry, 2 faculty from the Department of Microbiology, and 3 research scholars from the Departments of Botany and Zoology participated in this training program. A one-day faculty training program on solar cell trainer instrument was organized by the Department of Physics on 7th January 2020 with the participation of faculty from the Departments of Physics and Chemistry. Mr. G. Rajaganeshan, Director, Technical Operation, VITO Energy India Private Limited, was the resource person. A one-day seminar on electrochemical technology was organized by the Department of Chemistry on 13th December 2019. Dr. Paruthamal Kalanyan, Senior Professor and Head, Department of Industrial Chemistry, School of Chemical Sciences, Alagappa University, Karaikudi, and Dr. S. Sandil Kumar, Senior Scientist, Sikkari, Karaikudi, were the resource persons. All the UG chemistry students were benefited by this lecture. A one-day seminar on marine biology was organized by the School of Biological Sciences on 20th December 2019 in the conference hall. Dr. Ranjit, Scientist, Marine Biodiversity Division, CMFRA Thuthukudi, Dr. Arthur James, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Marine Science, Bharatidasan University, Tiruchirappalli, and Dr. Suja, Senior Scientist, Marine Biotechnology Division, CMFRA Thuthukudi, were the resource persons. Students from the Department of Botany and Zoology were benefited by this seminar. The School of Physical Sciences organized a one-day national seminar on Nano World for the UG students of Physics and Chemistry on 23rd January 2020 in the Pearl Conference Hall. Dr. Anushri Roy, Professor, Department of Physics, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and Dr. V. Vasu, Head and Associate Professor of Computational Physics, Madurai Kamarajar University, Madurai, were the resource persons. A national seminar on artificial intelligence in agriculture was organized by the Department of Botany on 25th February 2020 in the conference hall for all the botany students. Mr. Naveen, Solution Architect, Watson and IBM Cloud, Hyderabad. Dr. Prema, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, Department of Agricultural Economics, Agricultural College and Research Institute, Madurai. And Dr. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Soil and Environment, Agricultural College and Research Institute, Madurai, were the resource persons. Students and faculty from other colleges also benefited by this lecture. The School of Physical Sciences organized a two-day international conference on advanced materials on 30th and 31st January 2020 for all the physics and chemistry students. Dr. Uma Devi, Associate Professor of Physics, Mother Teresa University, Kodaikanal. Dr. Vedi, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, VOC College, Thuthukudi. Dr. Krishnamurthy, Scientist, CSIR, National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. Dr. Ramesh Babu, Associate Professor of Physics, Bharatidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. Dr. Rajesh, Assistant Professor of Physics, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. Dr. Suguna Perumal, Research Professor of Applied Chemistry, Kuyampook National University, South Korea. Dr. Chandra Bose, Head and Associate Professor of Physics, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. And Dr. Samson Nesaraj, Professor of Applied Chemistry, Karanya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore, were the resource persons. Faculty and research scholars from other colleges were also benefited by this conference. A one-day workshop on biosolid waste management vermicompost technology was organized by the Department of Botany on 10th July 2019 in the Botany Lecture Hall. Mr. Rajamani, Research Fellow, Kanyakumari, was the resource person. Hands-on training was given to the students of 2nd BSc Botany, volunteers from other departments and members from the self-help group. A one-day workshop on chemist as entrepreneur come hands-on training on household articles was organized by the Department of Chemistry on 18th July 2019 in the Star Hall. Mr. Kurusamy, Sega Blaskan Exports, Virudhunagar was the resource person. An in-house hands-on training was held for the 2nd and 3rd UG students on preparation of various household articles like washing powder, cleaning powder, dishwash liquid, phenyl and shampoo. The Department of Zoology organized a one-day workshop on value-added fishery products in the Star Hall on 8th August 2019. Dr. Sugumar, Professor and Head, Fisheries College, Mr. Ganeshan, Assistant Professor, Fisheries College, Mr. Parthipan, Assistant Professor, Fisheries College, Mr. Vijay Raghavan, Assistant Professor, Fisheries College, and Ms. Sarojini, Assistant Professor, Fisheries College, Thuthukudi, were the resource persons. The faculty members and all the UG students of the Department of Zoology, volunteers from other departments, were the beneficiaries of the workshop. A one-day lecture cum workshop on miracles of seaweeds was organized by the Department of Botany on 9th August 2019 in the Star Hall. Dr. Anandaraman, Professor CAS in Marine Biology, Annamalai University, Parangipete, was the resource person. It was organized for the first UG and third UG botany students. A hands-on training was held for the students on the preparation of various recipes using seaweed. A one-day workshop on edible fungi culture was organized by the Department of Botany in the Botany Lecture Hall on 12th September 2019. Mr. Sahul Hamid, Chairman, MSM Mushroom Corner, Tirunelveli, and Mrs. Aisha Jamila, Director, MSM Mushroom Corner, Tirunelveli, were the resource persons. The faculty members of the Department of Botany, 41 students from 3rd BSc Botany, 10 students from 2nd BSc Botany, and 3 students from 2nd BSc Physics were the beneficiaries of the workshop. A one-day workshop on microscale techniques in chemistry was conducted by the Department of Chemistry on 24th September 2019. The program was organized for all the UG chemistry students to acquire knowledge on microscale techniques in chemistry experiments. Dr. Murugan, retired Professor of Chemistry, ST Hindu College, Nagarkovil, was the resource person. A one-day lecture cum hands-on training on crystal growth was arranged by the Department of Physics on 6th December 2019 in the Star Hall. Dr. Rajesh, Assistant Professor of Physics, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai, was the resource person. The third UG Physics students attended the program and were benefited. A one-day lecture cum workshop on bottom-up approaches was organized by the Department of Physics on 17th December 2019. Dr. Prakash, Associate Professor, National Center for Nanoscience and Technology, University of Madras, Chennai, and Dr. Chandrasekhar, Assistant Professor of Physics, Geeta Jeevan Arts and Science College, Kurukuchali, Thuthukudi, were the resource persons. The students of 3rd UG Physics attended the program and were benefited. The Department of Botany, in collaboration with the Tamil Nadu Science Forum, Thuthukudi, organized a one-day workshop on Foldscope training and Explorer the Microworld 2020 on 28th February 2020 for the second UG and first PG Botany students in the Botany Lab. Mr. Pandiyarajan, National Trainer of Foldscope, Director of EDEN Educational Resource Center, Madurai, was the resource person. The Department of Zoology organized a one-day training program on Trash to Treasure seashell graft for the 3rd UG Zoology students on 7th March 2020. The students were trained on how to make decorating items and jewelry from waste seashells. Rajati and her team imparted hands-on training and shared their skills and expertise. The Department of Zoology organized a one-day workshop on virtual dissection on 16th March 2020 in the Pearl Conference Hall for the 1st and 3rd BSc Zoology students. Professor Akbar Shah, Research Coordinator, National College, Tiruchirappalli, and Dr. Kadalmani, Assistant Professor, Department of Animal Science, Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli, were the resource persons.